When you start talking about what that looked like, you get into the serious part of policy. We get into the serious part of like, okay, what is it like in terms of payouts, regulation, who gets it? These are questions that have been asked for decades on decades on decades. And I feel like in terms of this organization that we've finally gotten to the point that we're asking the questions that will take us to the Supreme Court. Those are the questions that we're asking. They have asked, really, we've answered those, and they're going to litigate that. But we have finally, as a group of trailblazers and volunteers, answered the question that is going to lead us to reparations through way of the court. That's what I feel like. So it's a relief for me, honestly, to get to that point to where we can actually answer the question that people who agree with us, because it's common sense, really, are asking, which is, okay, you got me. Now, how do we do it? We're answering the how do we do it. That's phenomenal.
I totally agree. And I also, one of the big things that I think detractors do is they're like, well, what does it look like? And then they look into the void because most people and organizations haven't taken the time to put out what it should look like. Um, Aisha, I want to read. So I've been blessed with an advanced copy, so I'm not going to act like it's all memory because it is a very comprehensive document. So I want to read something about the development of the ADOS reparations framework. And then Aisha, I'd love for you to kind of take us through what that looked like in terms of the development and those conversations. So
Sure.
the development of the American Descendants of Slavery Reparations Framework began 4 years ago